water in the lake flows in and out by streams and rivers. So the water in lakes are pretty much always fresh because they always have water moving in and out. And lakes are bigger than ponds. And then a pond, has anybody ever seen a pond? Yeah. Yeah. Ponds are smaller than lakes, and some of them are man-made, so you might have one like in your backyard even. And they're just like lakes, a small area of fresh, still water. But some are also made naturally, like fresh pond. That's just an example I tried to find. Then we have a gulf. Does anybody know what a gulf is? Gulf of Mexico, yes. Nice December. And a gulf is the part of the sea that is almost surrounded by land. There's just a tiny opening that opens it up and connects it to the sea and the ocean. And gulfs are usually named after the city or country that they're surrounded by, which is why the Gulf of Mexico is named the Gulf of Mexico, surrounded by Mexico. Then we have the sea. Has anybody ever been to the sea? Maybe not much, but seas are also large bodies of salt water, but they're partially enclosed by land. It's like an ocean that's like pretty much totally open, then a sea that's partially closed, and then a gulf that's like pretty much almost closed but a little open. And there are 50 small seas on Earth. And one example I had the Caribbean Sea, because that's kind of near to North America where we live. Then we have puddles. Do you know puddles are part of bodies of water? They are. They're bodies of water that dry up when it gets really, really hot. And a puddle is basically just a collection of water, like in a water cycle, we said a collection of water. They form when it rains and the ground is not flat, has like a dip in it, and you should be able to walk through a puddle. If you can't like walk through it, not drown, then it might be a pond. So that's not safe. Don't play in that without your parents. Then we have a stream. Does anybody know what a stream doing good. She's taking her own group. Not going alone. If you guys need help, always look up on the PowerPoint. I like how you spelled your name. Are you guys doing okay? Oh, no. Well, I have a secret for you. Do you need help? Teach, do you have a question? There might be a surprise after. That's very well. Actually, I need that's right. What's this string? What's a string? Yeah. I don't know this one.
Word bank. That'd be cool. What? Word bank. Did you the last one with golf? No, I don't know. Golf is on the top.
I thought it was word.
Golf is the top.
I think it was word.
This one. This one. That's not a golf. The teacher was saying one.
That's a word.
Golf is only, it's got a hole.
What's part of the sea?
River. Or lake. That's what I did for answer. Yes.
One more. I don't know. You guys figure out cat? I don't remember that.
Cheese.
That's great. You guys raise your hand if you're not done. Alright, so just your group. If you guys need help, you guys can work together.
Guys, what's the water? Water.
Oh, which one are you looking for? I think C is on the block.
Wait.
Right now.
body of water we learned about was the tide pool.
Anybody else?
I like waterfalls.